Hi, I'm the Crooked Savage. This is vlog number 3. And let's go! Alright, just leaving the trail. I got a good shot of that. I hope it was good. When I put it through Power Director, I'll see what it looks like. So, yeah, I'll pick it up back in my room. Let's get started in this vlog by saying one thing. Daily vlogging is great, so I'm going to keep doing it. But you guys do not know is I have issues with the upload on my phone, because that's what I do. I have some issues importing the files on my computer. But I may start doing that. I don't know. I need to figure it out. So if I can, great. It's either going to be every other day, or I can find a way to have the same vlog. Stupid. Get right. Away from me, mosquitoes. If I can find a way to have that, if I can find a way to have a vlog out on the same day's recording, I'll let you guys know. It's still daily vlogs, it's just like the day before. So, let's get started. Today's Thursday, so, boom. So we have good news. I figured out a way to I found a way to do it. So I can now do I can edit on my phone, connect it to my charger, and it opens, it finally did it, because the first day I got my phone, my immediate thing was I wanted to transfer some files. So this is the only one that has ever been up, that will only be uploaded on my phone. This is the last one that was open on my phone. Now I'm just gonna upload this one. Oh, and I made a thumbnail for it. Now let me get the put it right here. Here was the file yesterday. Now I'm gonna add the custom thumbnail, and I'll be right back. So thumbnail's complete. That's me. I just put everything but my face, except you guys knows that's what. I'll pop up the Instagram picture now. That's the one that this is from, and I don't want to pop up this one. I don't know if I just took it just to take it. So I don't know. That one, that one just there may actually be some footage coming on the trip. Or I'm sure it's coming. Here was last night right here. Falls through. Here's the photo. There it is. That's the photo. Alright, so I got everything set up right here. It's all there. At message. My vlog. Oh, and you guys want to know now, since I'm now partnered, it's automatic. So all my videos I already do it. Before it'd be like a little switch I just have to click and it'll be right there. So, but yes, it's pretty cool. Processing. This was only a 6-minute vlog, and this one's probably gonna be around the same time, but I don't know. I don't know, it depends on what I'm doing. Like school, I just thought of the easiest way to do it. Bro, and if you guys wonder why I'm not doing iMovie, just because it's real easier. I actually like PowerDirector. I really do. I like iMovie and I love PowerDirector. I think it looks. I just think, you know, since it's already there, I need to clean my. Since it's already on my phone, since I record on my phone, and it's a lot simpler process. Ooh, it's done. So, a lot simpler process. Just taking what I want and putting it on an easy device. It's done. Alright, let's check it. My channel. Let's refresh the page and see that beautiful. There we go. It's now on. I love this right here. I'm gonna start doing it now. It's pretty cool. So now, every day, you guys will see a vlog. Now, I'm gonna continue this vlog like I had been. Now it's gonna be more. Oh, and we just hit 31 subscribers. So, me and Tyler going to Subway. We're not gonna eat. Me and him are walking there for the trail. I showed you guys earlier. That's pretty cool. I think that's what I'm putting out their intro. I did record an intro where me walking into it, but what I'm gonna do is I like the one where I was running, so I'm gonna keep doing that every day. I'm gonna find new ways, even when I'm at school, to do the intro. I just have to find the most ridiculous things I can do at school, because you guys think that was stupid. Wait till I get to school. I'm probably gonna get my friend Wyatt to do it. Told me a certain thing, but yeah. This is gonna be fun. So I'll pick it up when we get on the trail, Tyler. He's coming, because, I mean, he's 17, I'm 15. Which isn't that bad of a, hey, you know what I could do before I go, is see my beautiful kitty cat. He was inside, but he had to take him back inside to clean up the house. Guess she left, so, yeah. Take a look at that 720. Oh my God, no. No. Tigger, say goodbye. Man, he must hate y'all. Just kidding, sorry, I have to get my glasses on. I took it off for that part, but I need the glasses. I need the glasses. Hey, so Tyler, excited to go?
It's just Subway. It's not like a,
It's kind of funny, Tyler. Your beard is like stubby.
I know, I need to shave it.
This lighting is terrible for this phone. It makes it look like it's my S5 camera.
What I'm planning on doing is just getting like a little, you know, the little goatee and just like that part going out.
Outside or my room's camera is really the best for this thing because this looks so messed up right now. The camera. So, bye, Mom. I'll see you later. Alright, so now you look better. I'm gonna wait till we get on the trail for light. We do it like we did last time, hop over the fence that way, then we go back the way I like. Alright.
Well, it's easier.
Well, I mean, I like the other way, but you like this one.
I like going over than under.
Oh, yeah.
It's easier for me.
Yeah, for him. Me, I'm good either way. I'm just good at climbing that thing only because I hate I don't know, there's like a bug, like a big nasty bug or snake or just an animal over there. It freaks me out. Alright, I'll pick it up after Tyler does his thing. Alright, so we're on the way to Subway now. That was the last time we ever did that until next year.
Oh, that place is gonna be busy too.
Well, Robert cares about that spot more.
I know, but
yeah. Robert loves that spot anyway more.
yeah.
I do too.
The actual spot.
I'll show you guys on the way back. I'll film Tyler getting across and I'll get hand him the phone. He can film me.
Your glass phone breaks, don't blame me.
Gorilla? No. I'm not.
You get the otter box on it, yeah.
Yeah, it's Gorilla Grass.
That's right. Gorilla Grass?
Gorilla Glass.
What? Is it grass?
Glass. Look at my hair. Daniel.
Oh, you're wearing Vans. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white Vans. Sight.
Oh my God, Tyler, look at the wind under my hair. It looks like I've been napping for like a minute.
You look like you would definitely do good with some dyed hair.
I actually do want dyed hair.
I know.
I'm actually dyeing my hair.
When I get my hair dyed?
I'll let you guys know when we get to Subway what hair. Actually, I'll tell what you know what he wants, but I'll let you know.
Purple.
I actually want red, but considering that I made a deal with my friends to say they can help me get to 100 because I've been doing it for 2 years, at least 100. The deal is it has to be before next month. That's the deal. If they get me to 100 by next month, I will have hot pink hair. Only until it fades, and then I'm gonna do it the red. When it starts to fade, I'm taking it in to go get red. Only right here, kind of like how Markiplier and Jack have it. Only because I like it that way.
That's my favorite way.
But yeah, I'll pick it up when we get there because we do have to be a little bit more focused on this area. And I'm sure. Alright. So we're at the Subway now. I'm not. I'm just gonna get a good shot of the thing right here. So, all right, I got the shot. We're back from Subway. Yay! Back from Subway. Got what I wanted. I got some chips. I got Veggie Delight. I customized it. Got a honey oats with cheese. Got some oven baked barbecue and a Dr. Pepper. I filmed that part, so that's good. You saw that before. I really saw that before I made that update when we got home. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I think I got a good 4 minutes in, or 6, or probably even 8. I don't know, depending on what is. So I'm gonna exit this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Big Crooked Savage, and guys, don't forget to stay savage.